When will the operation get over? Time is running out fast. How will I stop Papa Brato's disaster if Sanjukta comes here? Here you are, doctor. I was waiting for you since you were in the OT. It's urgent. I am Papa Brato Basu's sister.
Oh, yes. I saw you in front of the OT. What's the matter? You look so worried. Please sit down and tell me. Please.
No, doctor. I don't have time to sit down. You said that Papa Brato was out of danger. He's all right now, isn't he?
Yes, of course. I mean, he is absolutely fine now.
In that case, doctor, please release him. I want to take him abroad with me today itself, doctor.
Do you want to take your brother abroad today? Are you silly? I mean, I'm sorry to say, but are you saying this while you're in your senses? He had a major operation just a while ago. He is out of danger, but that doesn't mean you can be careless with him. You cannot do that. Please try to understand.
Doctor, I understand. I know everything. Still, I'm requesting you to please release my brother. Please. Doctor, he will be in a grave danger if he stays here.
Papa Brato will be in danger if he stays here? What kind of danger is it?
No, I can't let them give me the injection. I have to explain everything to the doctor. Father needs to be sent away from here to avoid his danger. But I can't let myself out of their grip. I'll doze off if they inject me the sedative. What do I do now? Lourdes Vishalakshi, show me a way. No!
Hey, catch her! Oh Lord, what did I just do? What did I just blurt out? Everyone will question me now. What will I answer them?
What did you say, Sanjukta? What cannot be possible? You mean that brother cannot get well? What do you mean by that?
What is his mother? Isn't father your husband? Are you not happy to know he's all right?
Why did you say this, Sanjukta? Don't you want Topo to come back alive?
What happened, Mom? Why are you silent? Answer what everyone's asking you. I also want to know, Mom. I need an answer. Speak up. Why did you say that Dad couldn't get better? Tell me why.
What do I do? I can't find a way to save Sanjukta.
Your sister became so happy, thinking that Mr. Basu was dead. She was overwhelmed. She thought she got the entire property and didn't need anyone anymore. She didn't need anyone's help. But see, just see her. She has become so lonely. What will she do now?
What happened, Mom? Why are you still silent? Why did you say that Dad couldn't get better? Tell me why.
Believe me, Deepu. Believe me. I had no other intention behind saying that.
You had no other intention. That means there was an intention. I want to know that too, Mom. I don't want to misunderstand you, so please explain it to me.
I saw that Tapa brother was not breathing, so I thought maybe...
Mom, when did you see that Dad was not breathing? You were not there.
She's lying. She is lying blatantly. She did not see anything. She just secretly wants brother to die.
Pratima, do you know what you're saying? Dripto, Sanjukta is not lying. And it's important that you know what the truth is. Sanjukta saw Tapabrato stop breathing just before the hospital informed us that Tapabrato had a cerebral attack. And Durba ran to him while Sanjukta desperately called the doctor. Aunt, didn't you go? Tell him, didn't you go? Sanjukta didn't say to anyone in fear that Tapabrato was not breathing. She was scared to death. She was so sad that she couldn't understand what to do. Hey Sanjukta, tell Dripto the truth. Can't you see Dripto is misunderstanding you?
Yes. When Nayan was taken to the OT for slashing her wrist, I had gone to Tapabrata's cabin. I went inside the cabin and found out that he was not breathing. I saw that he was not breathing. I did see that.
Take me instead of father. Mother, please don't let Sir be alone. Take me along.
That means Dad was really dying. He had really stopped breathing. Nayan's sacrifice brought my dad back. Dad got a new lease of life because of Nayan.
Doctor!
Grandma, can you imagine this? Had Nayan not tried to kill herself, Mother would have taken Dad away. Nayan saved my dad, Grandma. That means Nayan tried to save Dad by sacrificing her own life.
So at last, you understood, Nayan. I tried to explain to you, but you did not. But I knew, Deepu. I knew that someday you would recognize her. You would understand. She is born to make sacrifices for others, you know. You know, Deepu, my mother used to say that women are born with their family's responsibilities. They start a family wherever they go. Yes, they serve many dishes. We are also women. But do you know how Nayan is different from us? Our family is very small. But Nayan's family has no limit. She only knows to make sacrifices and nothing else.
Yes, but is that even possible, Aunt? Do people come back to life even after they stop breathing? Is one sacrifice so powerful? Nayan made the impossible possible, Aunt.
Doctor! Excuse me, can you tell me where the doctor's chamber is? Please, I need
Which
to know.
doctor?
The ones who's treating father and operated on him.
Dr. Ghoshal?
I can't say. Maybe yes.
Oh, you better go this way.
Oh, all right. We won't tell anyone that father's operation is successful, Dripto sir. We'll tell them that he's fighting death.
What did I do? What did I just do? Nayan asked me not to tell anybody about Dad's recovery. Why didn't I listen to her? She didn't think twice before sacrificing her life for us and I.
Where are you going, Deepu?
I'm going to the hospital. I made a terrible mistake. I'm going to rectify it. I'll be back soon. Bye.
What did just happen? Did Tapobrata really come back from the dead because of Nayan? Does Nayan have such power?
How do I explain to you, doctor? Tapabrata is in grave danger if he stays here.
Danger. You have to explain me what kind of danger you're talking about. I cannot let my patient travel so far based on your words only. Or is it that you cannot trust the treatment here?
Oh no, what are you saying, doctor? You are the one who treated my brother and saved him.
Then you think about it, madam. Your brother will be safe if he stays here. What you are saying is impractical. If a patient like him flies for so long and if his health deteriorates while flying under any circumstances, who's gonna be responsible?
I will, doctor. I'll take father's responsibility. Doctor, I'll take father's responsibility. Yes, I'll take father's responsibility.
Oh, it's you.
What are you doing?
Actually, I brought some white designer saris for you thinking that Tapabrata was dead. Now I have to return them before they catch someone's eye. You cannot wear such cheap clothes, so that's why I arranged all this.
Do whatever you want. I feel disgusted.
I too feel the same. I feel really disgusted. I couldn't imagine that the situation would go against us in this manner, Sanjukta. Everyone just cornered you. My goodness. You have to do something, Sanjukta. We have to kill both of them. First, Tapabrata. You'll be finished if he opens his mouth after waking up. And then Nayan. Oh my. She's so powerful that she can bring the dead back to life. Sanjukta, if she lives, we can never prosper, I'm telling you. So if we want to live, they both have to die.
Let's think about Nayan later, Vicky. First, we need to finish Tapabrata off. Deepu said that Tapabrata would come around by tonight. We have to finish the job before that, understood?
Then let's go. What are we waiting for? Let's go immediately. Let's go to the hospital. Let's finish them.
Yes, come.
I see. That means the siblings are going for a new operation. Good.
You? Who are you to take responsibility for Tapabrata? Are you a doctor? I mean, tell me, are you a doctor? How strange.
Sir, she forcefully came out of the cabin.
I beg you, doctor. Please don't ask me to go from here. I have something important to discuss with you, doctor. Father is in danger, doctor. Please tell the nurses to let me stay here for a while. Please tell them, doctor, please.
No, please come with me.
1 minute. Let her say what she wants to. You all may wait outside.
Doctor, thank you so much, doctor. Didn't you ask me whether I am a doctor or not? No, I am not. But
Then how will you take Tapabrata's responsibility? Besides, if Tapabrata is in any danger, then how you will know about it?
how do I explain it to you?
No, you have to explain me. See, I cannot believe something without solid ground, you understand?
All right, I will tell you. You may not believe me, doctor, but I can foresee the future. I can see what no one can see. And I've seen father's danger, doctor.
What?
Hey, what if Tapabrata regains consciousness before we reach there, Vicky? Plus, Nayan is also there. She won't come to know that we are planning to kill Tapabrata, will she? She can foresee the future.
Even if Nayan comes to know about it, we have to kill Tapabrata. We have no other option left.
Yes, we need to kill him. We definitely need to kill him. But Vicky, how will we kill Tapabrata among so many people in the hospital? Besides...
Why are you getting so confused? It's a do or die situation. Don't be worried. People's brains work better when they're up against the wall. Understand? We can easily get rid of problems or obstacles like Nayan. Don't worry. Have fun. Just imagine When you produce the will and shock everyone, how will be their expression? Have fun, Sanjukta, have fun.
Look, Tapabrata has transferred all his movable and immovable properties to my name. My name! None of you have any right to these properties. This property is mine, only mine. Yes, Vicky. I want Tapabrata's property. I will make him transfer all his properties to my name. Let me see how Nayan stops me.
Do you have any idea what you are saying? You can foresee what will happen. That means the future. All right, then tell me what future you are envisioning then.
Oh, what do I do now? I can't foresee things if you ask me, doctor.
Oh, that means you cannot foresee or predict if asked suddenly, okay? But I cannot discharge the patient either if you don't tell me anything. I'm sorry. You may please leave now. I cannot discharge Mr. Tapabrata. Sorry.
Oh, Lotus, the doctor doesn't believe me. But I'm telling the truth. How do I explain to him? My forehead isn't even hurting. Mother! Mother, please help me, Mother. Help me foresee something. Otherwise the doctor won't believe me and father won't be... Mother!
What is she
Mother?
doing?
Mother, show yourself, please. Mother, show yourself. Mother, please be with me. Mother, please help me. Mother, please show yourself. Please help me, Mother. Mother, where are you? Please help. Mother.
What is this? Nurse! Nurse! I think her blood pressure dropped. Take her to the cabin. Quickly, I'm coming. Hurry up, take her. Easy. Careful. Hurry up. Hurry up. Take her. Okay, you want to believe in these unreal things and take your brother, Mr. Tapabrata, abroad. How strange. She's speaking nonsense out of her illness. She needs treatment.
The moment she learned about Tapabrata Basu's alive, she left along with Uncle Vicky. I'm telling you, Jayanta, they have gone to the hospital. I know very well. Had you seen her expression, you would have understood. She won't let Tapabrata Basu come back alive.
Why are you so happy about it? How is this beneficial to us?
Of course it's beneficial. I didn't have to commit the sin. I didn't have to take the responsibility of murdering an old person like him on. Okay, listen. Now I want a strong will. You get the will ready the way I ask you to, okay? Okay, listen. The statement will be that all of Tapabrata Basu's property will be transferred to a trust. In case Dripto doesn't marry me. Only if he marries me, all of his property will be Dripto's.
Jasmine, what are you saying? Dripto will get his properties? Won't you get them?
I don't play such a weak game, Jayanta. See, no one will believe that Tapabrata Basu transferred all his property to me. Instead, let me be Dripto's wife. Then I'll get the property in no time.
Wow. Jasmine? Like father, like daughter. Very smart.
Just imagine, Jayanta, when I produce the will in front of everyone, how will the expressions on Nayan and Sanjukta Basu's faces be? Can you visualize it? See everyone, what Uncle Tapabrata said in his will. He wanted to see me as his daughter-in-law, you know that? And so many times he even expressed his desire for the same. So he has said in his will that if Dripto marries me, he will get his property. His property will be transferred to a trust.
Yes, Jasmine, the plan is very nice, but I'm still nervous about something else. You see,
What's that?
that box of poison is still with Tarun Karmakar. I can't understand what will I do when the reports come out.
It's my responsibility to tackle that. Ask Dad not to worry about it either. Okay, I'll take care of it. Alright? No one can harm me. No one.
Andurba, talk to him. Why is he not believing me?
Quiet. No more talking. I don't want to hear that you're disobeying me, you understand? Besides, there's a function at my place today. So I cannot come even if I get a call. You have to listen to others and take care of yourself.
Mother, why are you not having mercy on me? It will be too late after this. You gave father life. If we can't save him, what will be the point of everything?